What's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this really cool 20-volt combo kit from CRAFTSMAN. So this is the cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. And this kit is going to give you everything to get started. So you will get your impact driver, your cordless drill, you'll get batteries for each. I have the batteries installed, but you will get two 20-volt batteries. You will get a charger for those batteries, and you're going to get this awesome heavy-duty carrying case. Starting with our drills here, of course, we have the impact driver and then we have the cordless drill. Both of these make use of the CRAFTSMAN 20-volt batteries. They are a little bit hard to get off, but as you can see, I got that one off here. And this gets you in the CRAFTSMAN 20-volt ecosystem. So any CRAFTSMAN product that uses the 20-volt batteries here will work with these. So you pick this kit up and then you can get more CRAFTSMAN tools down the line, right? So you already have the batteries for them, which means you can easily hot swap those. Now with these batteries, they're super easy to charge. And of course, this kit does come with a charger and you can see how charged they are. So you just press the button at the back here and you'll see that the light lights up and lets you know how charged these are. And then just getting them on, just nice and hard. So you can easily get them on there and working. Now we have the impact driver here. And as you can see, the light stays on this one. So you use it and then the light stays on for a little bit, which is really good. So if you're working in a dark place, you don't always have to like hold the trigger to get that light to turn on. It stays on for a little bit while after, which is really nice. Now this has a brushless motor design. Of course, that's what you want these days. And it's not all that big either. Of course, on the right around the trigger here, we have a just back and forward selector, pretty easy to use there. And then this is variable speed. So we can easily, just go a little slow. But then if we want to go really fast, we can go ahead and do that as well. Super simple to use this one. And it does have the Toolless chuck design. So you can easily remove your bits with just a single finger, which is really cool for this one. Now, the cordless drill is slightly bigger, but again, not all that much bigger on this one as well. Now, this has a dual speed system. So at the top, it says 2. That's the high speed. We can switch the selector to 1, and that is a lower speed on that one. Same thing, right around the trigger, we have that selector to go from in to out. Very easy to do on this one. And again, you turn that on, and that light does stay on for a little bit there as well. And again, variable trigger. So again, we go slow, and then we can push in harder, and it goes faster. Super easy to do on this one as well. Again, toolless system to take your bits in and out. Very, very easy to use on this one as well. When it comes to the carrying bag, it is pretty heavy duty here. Of course, it is red to match that CRAFTSMAN theme. We have some nice handles here so you can easily go ahead and pick it up. And then a big zipper, of course, that goes across to open it up. If you're wondering about room, I can fit everything that comes in this kit inside here, plus so much more. Like there is a ton of room inside there. I always have extra tools in here. So it's really nice that you get everything in, of course, the carrying bag. If you are looking for a new impact driver or drill, this is a great kit because it has everything you need to get started. You get the 2 drills, you get 2 batteries, you get the battery charger, and of course, you get the bag. So if you are looking for something like this, this is a kit that I would definitely recommend.